Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a chocolate cake frosted in chocolate buttercream. If you love all things chocolate, I can assure you that you will love this as well. I enjoyed making this recipe and I know you will too. So please just stay till the end of this video, like, comment and subscribe, and also tap on the notification bell so you get my video every time I post. Now let's get right started in 4, 3, 2, 1. So in this bowl is 100 grams of butter. I'm just going to cream it a little bit just to lighten things up. Next, I'll be adding in 30 grams of white granulated sugar. I will be mixing for a while, just for some time, just to combine it. I'll be adding in 70 grams of brown sugar. I love adding brown sugar to my chocolate cake. So I'm just going to whip it till it's light and fluffy. You can see how the color have changed now, and also the texture. It has doubled in size. I'm just going to keep whipping it till it gets to the consistency I want, the texture I want. I will be cleaning the sides with my spatula and also checking to see if my butter and sugar is ready. If it falls out of the spoon easily, it is ready. Just like this. You can see it falls out of the spoon easily. Next, I'll be adding in 2 eggs, one at a time. After adding this first one, I will mix it combined. Guys, please like this video. It will help other people see my contents. I'm new to this channel, so please help me grow. This is my second egg. I'm just going to do the same as the first one. Whisk it well combined. And that's it for now. I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of white vanilla flavor. You can use a dark vanilla or a chocolate flavor if you have it, but me, I'm using this one. That's it for now. In here is my flour. I'm going to add in my baking powder and my salt, and also my milk flavor, 1 tablespoon of milk flavor, and then I'm going to mix them together. This flour, I have sifted it twice, so no cause for alarm. I'm just going to mix them all together. This is my dry ingredients, my flour mixture. I'm going to be alternating my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. I'll be adding in my dry ingredients in 3 portions. And then I will mix with my spatula so I will not over mix my batter. I changed to my spatula so I won't over mix my batter, so my batter will not be gummy and dense. Please, as you are mixing, your oven should be on already and set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, because we'll be baking this cake for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. That's about 170 degrees centigrade. But if you're using a local oven, like most of us do here in Nigeria, this is the perfect time for you to go and on your oven and use your oven thermometer to set your oven to 170 degrees centigrade. This is my last wet mixture. You can see my wet mixture is a mixture of chocolate and warm water. To get this, you just have to boil your water Measure half cup and add in 3 tablespoons of your cocoa powder. That's my cocoa mixture. This is my last batch of dry mixture, my flour mixture. I'm just going to mix till combine. You can see how I'm folding it in. Don't mind the speed. I am doing this very, very slowly, but I have to speed it up because of this video. I don't want to make things very, very long. Look how smooth it is. My batter is looking yummy already. I'm just going to pour it in my pan, my prepared pan. This is a size 5 pan. This batter is made, you can bake for on a size 6 pan or size 7 pan. So I'll be baking twice on my size 5 pan. And I also removed 4 cupcakes from it. So my other layer is kind of small. I'm just going to spoon it in my cake pan. Like I said, I'll be baking it for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees centigrade. So my cake batter is going into the oven. This is my cake after coming out of the oven and they have completely cooled. I'm just going to use my buttercream to frost it, to ice them. This buttercream I made off camera. It's a normal buttercream which I added my cocoa powder. One of these days I will be making a video on how I make my buttercream. But this is a simple buttercream though. It's an American buttercream. If you've watched my video up to this point, please go ahead to comment. Tell me where I can do better. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please and please, I am begging. I am a terrible cake decorator. You don't have to tell me. I'm still working on that aspect. So I just decided to do this simple design. But later I saw that I did not like it like this. So I decided to pipe in this something like ring. I don't know what it's called. Then the remaining buttercream, I just decided to pipe spikes on the body of my cake. And that's it. Like I said, I enjoyed making this cake. And I know you will too. This cake is very, very yummy. I tell you, you and your family will definitely enjoy it. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye.